he just has.
Let him talk. Let him talk.
He has it. He's getting there.
He's a very kind soul. This man. I'm just gonna go genuine. Beautiful.
Wow.
Ooh.
Look at his face, guys. Come on now. And just inspiring, especially to me. I think just in this journey period, meeting you, you've been such a mentor for me. So
Not to just derail this with a quick love fest. No, Mason is unbelievable. He's got the greatest head on his shoulder. He calls me a mentor. He doesn't need any advice from me. He's already on the greatest path. I just want the world for you. But we should get back
Agreed.
to you before
No,
we
Yes, please.
go on
the
a-
bromance.